Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to dive into the basics of options trading. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is for you. So let's get started. Before we delve into the mechanics of options trading, let's cover some key terms you need to understand. Option. An option is a financial derivative that gives the holder the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price within a specific time period. Call option. A call option gives the holder the right to buy the underlying asset at the strike price before the expiration date. Put option. A put option gives the holder the right to sell the underlying asset at the strike price before the expiration date. Strike price. The strike price is the predetermined price at which the underlying asset can be bought or sold. Expiration date. The expiration date is the last day when the option can be exercised or traded. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore two popular options trading strategies: buying calls and buying puts. Buying calls. If you expect the price of the underlying asset to rise, you can buy a call option. This gives you the right to buy the asset at the strike price before the expiration date. Buying puts. On the other hand, if you anticipate the price of the underlying asset to fall, you can buy a put option. This gives you the right to sell the asset at the strike price before the expiration date. Now that you understand the basics of buying calls and puts, let's discuss some considerations for options trading. Risk management. Options trading involves risks, and it's crucial to manage them effectively. Determine your risk tolerance and consider using stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Market research. Stay informed about the underlying asset and market conditions that may affect the price movements. Conduct thorough research and analysis to make informed trading decisions. Education and practice. Continuously educate yourself about options trading. Utilize resources such as books, online courses, and virtual trading platforms to practice your strategies before committing real money. Options trading can be a powerful tool in your investment arsenal. By understanding the basics, strategies, and considerations we discussed today, you'll be better equipped to navigate the world of options trading. Remember, it's important to do your due diligence, practice risk management, and continuously learn. Stay tuned for more videos on advanced options strategies and market insights. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.